Billionaires are hiding 7 money secrets from you, and the last one will completely change how you see wealth in 2026. While the media shows you their yachts and mansions, the real wealth is built in silence, using strategies they'll never advertise. These aren't tips you'll find in finance books. These are the actual playbooks used by America's wealthiest individuals right now.
Secret number 1. Billionaires don't chase money, they engineer liquidity events. They build assets for 5 to 10 years, then trigger massive cash payouts through strategic sales, mergers, or public offerings. The average person works for a paycheck. The wealthy work toward events that generate millions in a single transaction. Secret number 2. They use debt as fuel, not fear. While you avoid loans, they're leveraging billions at near zero rates. Banks give billionaires money at 2% interest to invest at 10% returns. That 8% spread builds empires. The rich understand something crucial. Good debt buys assets. Bad debt buys liabilities. Know the difference. Secret number 3. They don't pay taxes like you do, and it's completely legal. Through foundations, trusts, and strategic losses, billionaires reduce their tax rates below 15%, while the middle class pays 30%. They donate appreciated stock, write off business expenses, and live in tax-friendly states. The tax code rewards those who know it. Secret number 4. Billionaires never sell their best assets. They borrow against them instead. Why sell Amazon stock and pay capital gains when you can borrow millions against it tax-free and keep the growth? This is called buy, borrow, die. Buy assets, borrow against them, pass them to heirs tax-free. Generational wealth in 3 words. Secret number 5. They treat time like currency. Every hour has a dollar value and they protect it ruthlessly. If their time is worth $5,000 per hour, they'll pay someone $200 to do tasks below their pay grade. You're trading time for money. They're buying time with money. That's why they scale while others stall. Secret number 6. Billionaires invest in what they control, not what they hope. They own businesses, real estate, and private equity, things they can influence, improve, and dominate. The stock market is their side bet, not their main game. Real wealth comes from ownership and control, not speculation. Secret number 7, and this is the most hidden. Billionaires monetize their network, not just their knowledge. One conversation at the right dinner table is worth more than 1,000 hours of hard work. Access equals opportunity. They join exclusive clubs, invest in relationships, and position themselves where billion-dollar deals happen casually over coffee. So, let's recap these 7 secrets. Engineer liquidity events, leverage smart debt, minimize taxes legally, borrow against assets, value time as currency, control your investments, and monetize your network. Here's the truth they don't want you to know. These strategies aren't reserved for the ultra-wealthy. They're reserved for the informed. In 2026, information is free, but attention is expensive. You just invested 4 minutes learning what most people will never discover. The question is, what will you do with it? Will you scroll away, or will you start implementing? If this opened your eyes to how real wealth is built, hit that like button. Subscribe to Private Prosper for weekly secrets the rich keep quiet. Remember, billionaires didn't get rich by accident. They followed a blueprint, and now you have it too. Stay private, stay prosperous.